Tired of your stunning Wix website looking like a jumbled mess on phones? Let's fix that. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account, and in the Wix editor, you'll typically see your desktop version. Up at the top of your screen, find the mobile icon. It usually looks like a smartphone. Click on that, and it will switch you over to the mobile editor. Now you're seeing how your website looks on mobile. Notice the mobile toolbar at the bottom. This is where all the magic happens. You can click and drag any element to rearrange it. Think about what's most important for mobile users, and put that at the top. Make it easy for them to find what they need. If some elements are unnecessary on mobile, right-click on them and select Hide Element. This doesn't delete it from your desktop site, only hides it on the mobile version. The Mobile Tools icon will offer you an optimized mobile view button. This can automatically adjust your layout, but always double-check the results to make sure it looks good. Pay attention to text size. Is it readable? Use the editor to make it larger or smaller as needed. Ensure buttons are easily tappable with a thumb. And there you have it, a mobily optimized Wix website that looks fantastic and provides a seamless experience for your visitors. Make sure you preview your site on different devices to ensure the best results.